Panthers. Welcome to our 6th episode of BTV.
I'm Colin.
And I'm Dylan. Every Fridays, wear Red Day. Don't forget to sport your favorite Panther t-shirt or sweatshirt.
All senior parents were sent an email with information about taking the senior portrait in the BHS gym. If you didn't receive an email, please check out the daily bulletin for the link. Put in California and Burlingame and choose BHS to get an appointment with times and ordering info.
This is a reminder that you must report any absences to the attendance office. Please fill out the BHS absence reporting form or email Miss Birch at dbirch@smuhsd.org. Burlingame's normal attendance policy still applies for online schooling.
The Burlingame Public Teen Advisory Board is currently accepting art submissions for their community art projects in Burlingame. The art will be proudly displayed in front of the City Hall. For all those interested in participating, below is the info you would need to submit your work along with an explanation to Teen Librarian Jenny this Friday.
Now for a feature from Katie Lang about staying connected online.
Hi, we've been in quarantine for quite some time, and for some of us it has been much harder to stay connected with our friends and family. Here are some ways you can interact with them from home. Obviously, you can FaceTime or call on Zoom and talk, but if you want to do something while on call, you can play Mafia, a game where you're trying to find an imposter among the group, which allows for communication. And other games that you can play online include Scribble, a drawing game, Among Us, which is somewhat like Mafia, where you find an imposter while trying to complete tasks, and Codenames. The last few games don't require talking, but it definitely makes the games much more fun and helps you stay connected with your friends and family. If you don't want to play games, you can Netflix share or listen to music on Spotify together, and yeah.
Thanks, Katie. Speaking of staying connected, this October 30th at 6:30 p.m., the San Mateo Union High School District with the Black Parents Association invite you to attend their virtual town hall about unity and community. Please participate in the thought exchange prior to the meeting to tell them what impactful actions the district could take to better serve our African American students. Attendants will learn priorities and have them align with the district goals and opportunities for a Q&A over Zoom. Check out the San Mateo Union High School District calendar for more information and Zoom links.
Join us on October 16th at 2 p.m. during Flex Time for a Cal State University application presentation. The presentation will be led by our local representative from San Francisco State University. If you're interested in attending, please check out the daily bulletin for the link to indicate your interest.
All athletic package from the 2019-2020 school year expired on May 28, 2020. Beginning May 1st, 2020 parents and guardians can use the athletic packet for the 2021 sports season by going to the BHS Sportsnet website linked on the daily bulletin, along with more information for athletes who want to play in the upcoming season.
Catcher, a magazine for BHS creatives to use as a platform for their work, wants to invite you to join their team and or submit your multimedia art and writing. As a club, they will collaborate on multiple publications throughout the school year. If you're interested in how magazines are curated, produced, and issued, join them on Fridays. As far as submissions go, anything you can think of under the creative umbrella is welcome. Check out your Canvas emails for more information.
The Drama Department will be producing 2 online one-act plays this fall. Auditions have ended, but check out their website for the cast list, specific details, and updates at www.bhstheater.org.
This year there will be a newly designed BHS peer tutoring program for distance learning. This program is free for all BHS students and is available throughout the academic school year. If you're interested in signing up to be a tutor, tutors can earn community service hours and awards for helping your peers. If you need help in any of your classes, you can sign up as a participant to get matched up with a tutor. Tutoring will take place every week during office hours. Check out the daily bulletin or your Canvas emails for more information. In other news, we now have a feature about the upcoming virtual college fair from Margot Bender.
I'm super excited for this year's college fair. We have moved it all online, so it's a completely virtual event. There are 90 colleges that will be in attendance at the fair. The fair is kind of broken up into 2 different sections. So the first half of the fair will be broken down into 3 25-minute panel discussions. And so different colleges have been grouped into groups of 3. And so students and families will have an option for each 25-minute session to tune in to one of the panels. And so get kind of 3 little college presentations in each 25-minute segment. And so that's the first half of the event. The second half is comprised of 2 different things. So there will be a handful of bigger kind of presentations. So there will be a presentation all about the UC system from our rep from UC Davis. There will be a presentation from our rep from SF State all about the Cal State system, presentations on financial aid, our local community colleges, private colleges, tons of stuff. While that is going on, students will also be able to kind of pop into these Zoom rooms that our colleges have created. So in trying to mimic kind of what it feels like to walk around like a gym floor at a college fair, on our program, you'll be able to click the link of a school and it will send you right into a Zoom room with the representative from that school to ask questions. For students who are interested in attending the college fair, on Monday morning, you will get a Canvas announcement sent out that will have a link to the entire program. And the program is kind of like just full of links and information. So kind of with the program, you'll also, in that Canvas announcement, get a link to a little 5-minute video kind of explaining how to use the program the night of the fair. Because the program is linked to the different presentations and the panel sessions and the colleges websites. There's a lot of information. So definitely kind of watch the little 5-minute kind of, additional video that goes with the program.
We'll see you next week, Panthers.
Bye.